Hey, what's up everybody? So today I was going to try and do a minimum range test on my DIY electric dirt bike that I made the battery for. I got three 14.4 volt batteries, so full battery should be about 48.5, 49 volts, and dead battery should be about 33 volts. It's a pretty nice day here in Michigan, around 70 degrees with 5 to 10 mile an hour winds, and the out and back that I'm going to be doing to offset the wind and elevation change, only have an elevation change of about 150 feet, so shouldn't be too bad. And I'm going to be going wide open throttle, full throttle the whole way to see what my minimum range is, hoping to get at least 20 miles. I've got about 1 kilowatt hour worth of battery there, and I guess we'll see how we do. And I wanted to get some temperature readings before I leave. So it looks like, the battery is around 88, so our maximum is the ground. So everything looks like it's around 84 or 85 degrees to start off with here. Also forgot to add that this is a 36 volt 500 watt motor that I'm using, so it is slightly over volted to get me the 20 miles per hour. Okay, so here we are at 23 miles. Definitely surpassed my expectations. I had my max speed of 25. I averaged probably around 20 the whole time. Got down to 15 on some spots. See how the battery temperatures held up. Yep, definitely went up about 10 degrees on some of the battery temps. Motor's the hottest. Motor went up, got up pretty hot. 150 is still not too bad though. So definitely not too bad there. Over 20 mile range. So say 22 miles per kilowatt hour, since it's about a 1 kilowatt hour battery. Well, I had to walk it back the rest of the way, but we made it back. So 22 miles, 22 and a half, and I was able to eke out another half mile to get 23, but it's pretty successful range test, I'd say. Nothing got too hot on the battery I made, and it was a pretty even mix of cement and gravel. I did end up getting stopped by the cops because apparently they were getting calls that I wasn't wearing a helmet and I was riding on the shoulder opposing traffic. So he just told me to ride on the right side of the road with the flow of traffic. So if you like this video, I'd like to hopefully do more e-bike, you know, wide open throttle, full throttle, minimum range test, and if you like and subscribe, hopefully I'll be able to do more of those. Thanks for watching.